Hi all!
Not long ago, I felt helpless when I encountered problems with my purchases. I didn't know who to turn to for help. But then, I discovered Panashop, where I get to meet the shop owner and can contact him directly. Having Panashop in the neighborhood is like always having a friend in need. A good friend will always give you sincere advice. Kenny told me there is a new low-sugar IH rice cooker for better health. It is more than just after-sales support and convenience. You have a peace of mind now, knowing you have a friend to turn to. The experts and even the shop owner are like friends who are always there to help you. Since it's nearby, I can easily get in touch whenever I need assistance with my purchases. At my local Panashop, I know I have friends who are always there to welcome me, friends who understand my preferences and requirements. They are always there to help and offer genuine advice according to my preferences rather than a simple transactions. Their familiar faces and friendly environment make shopping for Panasonic products a truly enjoyable experience. I no longer feel helpless when I face issues with my purchases. Trust me, you won't be disappointed because at Panashop, you have a friend. What are you waiting for? Let's visit your nearest Panashop now to find out more.